In 23 court cases, all involve Morsi supporters, at least 1,654 have been recommended to receive the death penalty. After consulting the Mufti, judges confirmed a little over 500 of these sentences. Most of them have been appealed. But the fact remains, Egypt has never seen this much death penalties before.
The death penalty in Egypt has restrictions that surpass any other verdict. First, they can't be reached unless there's a unanimous agreement among the judicial panel overlooking the trial. Second, it must be revised by the Court of Cassation even if the defendant didn't file an appeal. It will only be applied if the court upheld the death sentence. We're witnessing unprecedented crimes that are spreading across the country. Part of the judge's duty is to put an end to crime, so sometimes death penalty helps to make criminals afraid, even if it will not be implemented at the end.
Morsi supporters have engaged in numerous violent clashes with the police. In one trial, over 600 defendants were recommended to the death penalty for allegedly killing just one police officer. While human rights organizations say that's irrational, others have an explanation.
There must be a system to develop the process of the death penalty and legislation in general. The problem is not the judiciary. They abide by the law. It's the law that should be developed. That's what's keeping us in this troubled image of our justice system in the world. In the absence of transparency in Egypt, such verdicts give the impression that they are politicized verdicts and that they are a type of revenge from a specific political group. In reality, they're just a simple application of poor legislation.
Of all the confirmed death penalties, only 7 have been implemented. 6 of them accused of terrorism were executed this week, despite that the administrative court is investigating a case asking to stop the implementation of their death penalties, arguing it's not constitutional. They have been buried now, but there's still a chance their verdict could become illegal. Adel EL Mahrouky, CCTV, Cairo.